everyone. Today's topic is what is mutual fund. Mutual fund is nothing but a pool of funds managed by a professional. It is a trust that collects money from a number of investors who share a common objective or common goal with the investment of same in equities, bonds, money market instruments and many other. Mutual fund basically gives small and individual investors access to a diversified portfolio and manage their portfolio very much well. Mutual funds are divided into various categories. It even gives various flavors to investors depending upon their risk appetite, their investment goal and their thought process behind their investment. As per they are investing for a long term period or short term period, are they looking for some tax benefit? As per that, mutual fund has various types of varieties in it, and that helps a person to invest into it and makes it very much flexible and easy.